Welcome back to Lori's Life. Today I'll be doing a microgreen recipe. I'm going to use up the rest of these. I have Sango radish and red acre cabbage. I'm going to be putting it in tuna with lemon, salt, pepper, and maybe something else. But I'm going to be putting it in a pocket with tomato and lettuce. First things first, I'll be giving the cat the tuna juice from the bumblebee tuna and water. It's light tuna. He's been patiently waiting for his lunch, and I got home late. So let me feed the cat, and I'll be back. I hope I can get through this. Even though I've added more memory, somehow my phone has been shutting off still during videos. So I'll let him with the can too. I'll actually put a little in there so we'll have a nice treat. So I'm adding lemon juice from a real lemon, pepper, salt, mayo. I'm not going to use it all. I think with the lemon juice it will be moist, so I'm just going to mix it and I'll be right back. I'm going to add the microgreens right in the tuna. So this is the red acre cabbage. I'm just going to put it all in there and mix it up. And I'm going to snip off the Sango radish to just add in the pocket. And I'll save that in a little container. We'll save it. So mix it all up. Just get it all incorporated. Okay. Okay, let's chop this up so it's easy to put in the pocket. Just sort of shred it julienne style. And that should be good. Now, tomato. Just going to get the core out. Put half that away. Oops. Not a lot of rum. I'm going to use this one. Okay, and for my pocket, a little dry, so you just put the tuna inside, couple good scoops, spread it around, add the lettuce, the tomato. And lastly, I'm going to add some of these on top. And there you have it. A nice tuna pocket. So I had to use up those microgreens because they were getting really tall and they were about to, you know, start to probably shrivel. Add a little lemon squirt in my water, and here I go. I loved that packet of lemon tuna. Makes it really flavorful. Alright, I'll be eating my pocket till late lunch. It's probably after 3 right now. I'll have to cut that part out. Alright, enjoy. Like, subscribe, share, try the recipe, comment. Let me know how yours came out.